Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and let's dive right into the analysis here. And looks like Bitcoin has had a positive reaction overall from our level. Saw a comment yesterday saying it was incorrect. I don't know what was incorrect because Bitcoin has just bounced out of our buys area here. I guess they are just, looking at the thumbnail. And it's kind of funny too because I make those thumbnails sometimes counterintuitive to what I'm actually saying inside the video, but maybe I'll stop doing that. But yeah, Bitcoin coming out of our buy area here, possibly in our first impulse out. Could be like wave one out of our first wave. So we'll have to know. We'll know more on the pullback and the retest. So if Bitcoin can hold this level, then we should be good to go higher. Markets are pushing higher. The S&P's pushing higher. Nasdaq's pushing higher. Russell 2000 is pushing higher as well. I was looking for a little bit of a dip down, but that doesn't have to happen. Dollar came down today, and so did the bonds, which helped the markets and risk on assets. Oh my goodness, what's going on with my PC? It's lagging right now. 20-year yield came down. So all these factors do help risk assets, and Bitcoin is treated as a risk asset, right? And that's definitely helping our case right now. So overall, we're in some longs right now. We're benefiting from this. So congrats to the Discord members. If you guys are inside the Discord, we are in some longs on Bitcoin, and we are in longs on Bitcoin Cash. And Bitcoin Cash taking off as well here, getting a nice little pop. Kind of a retrace now. Back down to the $451 level, but I like what I see. I like what I see right now, so it's looking positive overall. I'll actually take a look at the daily time frame on Market Cipher, and I'll give you guys an update on what's going on over there. Because right now, we were looking extremely bearish, and I agree. It was looking bearish, right? And things took a turn today. Things can change. And that it changed for the better. Right now, we're printing a green dot, right, on the Market Cipher B. And now we have bullish dual band strength index numbers with a 10 and a -1. But you guys need to remember, it has not confirmed, right? Things can change again from where we are. So that's why you look at the smaller time frames to see what could be coming next, right? So the 12-hour also printing a green dot. This one's got 10 hours to go, 8-hour, right? Printing a green dot. This one is confirmed. 6-hour and 4-hour have confirmed as well. 8, and then the 4-hour has printed a green dot down here when we're at 61,400. We're getting some bullish dual band strength index numbers, but things are, we're starting to slow down here, losing a little bit of momentum. You can see the 1-hour printing a red dot. And the thing is we're still in red money flow. Right? We need to remember that we still got red money flow here, but it doesn't mean that all is lost. We can still continue to push higher. 24-minute is back in green money flow and showing that we should get another extension higher, right? So this is why I'm showing you guys possibly that we're in this first impulse up. And when it does come to an end, then the next pull back down could be a great buying opportunity for the wave 3 to come, right? So if this is our first impulse, and we end somewhere here, roughly like 65,000, and then we pull back in a wave 2, which can be deep. We can get deep pullbacks in a wave 2, and then that you should be set to get into a 3 of 3 moment, right, and rally much and much higher from there. So yeah, that's what I see for Bitcoin right now. Let's take a look at markets. Wave Edge, and again, like I said, wait for smart money to buy. We saw some buying on the 30-minute, but I like to use the larger time frames. We saw the 1-hour print a significant buy here at the lows, and look what price did afterwards. Price rallied tremendously towards the upside afterwards. So beautiful to see that. I always love to see price react accordingly when smart money is buying. You can see sometimes they don't always go as planned. See smart money bought here, small little rally. Smart money bought, decent sized little rally, and then they bought the dip here. And then you got, another dip lower. It reversed back up. So technically, if, you could have gotten stopped out on this big drop here. But let's say you held, then you would still been in the money for a slight period of time. But then a huge drop back down. But this is when you get into the 4-hour time frame. And look at all that smart money buying at the lows, right? It's just the way it goes, right? So then we got some green crosses. Nothing on the daily, so I don't really have anything on the larger time frames. Daily, 2-day, 3-day. 3-day printed a green cross here, and you know, it's been up since then. 4-hour, nothing on the 4-hour, nothing on the weekly. So still consolidating after the halving. Nothing really happening much for Bitcoin, but it could take off, right? And I'm betting on it that it should get a nice little rally in a fifth wave, and that's why I'm in longs right now. And we'll have our stop set in place in case things reverse. And if we hit our stops, then we hit our stops. We let the market stop us out. And yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. Don't have much to add. If you guys want to get access to my trades and catch some amazing trades, feel free to join with the link in the description. Love you guys. Peace.